day one. I thought we were starting today.
Well, it's 48 hours after they poured the footer. Cement is dried, and nobody has shown up. What's going on?
So we didn't know what to do. I don't know why. I felt like I was afraid to ask, like, what's going on? Where is everybody? So I eventually, texted and said, hey, what's going on today? And then the PM and one other fellow showed up in the afternoon, and they looked at the footer and they said, looks great.
That looks like a mighty fine footer. Man.
They didn't say that.
And then they left.
They did say that they were going to put the schedule up for us the next day. So just so you know, this is supposed to be starting on May 1st, and it's supposed to end on June 14th. That's the original schedule. Today is May 1st. So maybe because we worked on Saturday and we're not working today. So anyway, I don't know.
On to day 2. Hopefully.